everyone, my name is Sheryl Benjy and this is Buddy Benjy. I'm an artist and I'm going to show you in this video how to use fluid acrylics to make a type of marbling technique, and it's what I use to make my abstract pieces in the back here that you see. And I'll show you which materials that I use, and a lot of my students have asked me how do you do that, or my followers on Instagram. So I'm going to show it to you here, and stay tuned and stick around. Okay, so here are the paints I use. This is titanium white fluid acrylic. It's golden brand. I really love this brand. It's high quality and it's just really great. And I use teal and phthalo blue and ultramarine blue, and I started using these, I guess it's pronounced Pebeo, and Pebeo Prisma Fantasy. This one is Moon, and I use a stick to mix this in the paint. If you use a paintbrush, it will ruin your brush. So I use a popsicle stick and move it all around, and I'll show you in the rest of the video how that's done, and I'll talk about it. I love to just pour my paint on canvas, and I add water and just move the brush around with the music. I feel music is so important in the creative process. Here I started to add the Pebeo, and I use the popsicle stick to move it around because, like I said, it's going to damage your brush. Trust me, I've done it many times. And then after I let it dry, I set it up on my easel and added the finer details with a thin brush. And here I splashed around the rest of the paint. And this is the final product. And it's just layers of paint. And you just have to be patient with the whole process and enjoy the process.